What's up, guys? So today's video is gonna be about me trying to help you guys, I don't know, disassemble and help you find the ball bearings that fell out of the Bambu Lab A1. So for a long time, so a couple of weeks ago, I was just trying to do some maintenance on the Bambu Lab A1, and then all of a sudden, I turned on the machine. This happened, and that happened. Ball bearings fell out. All right. I panicked, sat for 2 hours trying to fix it, and eventually I found the problem. I found where the ball bearings are. So the ball bearings are actually inside the x-axis itself. You see the machine that extrudes them? Right behind it is where the x-axis is. So what I'm trying to do is really disassemble the whole thing right now so I can easily manage it and everything. So I can cut it, and so right now, as you see, I just disassembled the main part. Now this is where you really want to be start working in. So as you see, I'm removing the filaments and everything, and right now I'm taking out all the wires. See, that's where you really want to go. Forgive me for being this super cringy. Um, see, I was struggling this part right now, so trying to find a solving the solution. So this is where you want to unscrew to. The problem with this, if the ball bearings fall out, you're gonna have to kind of disassemble the whole x-axis, which is gonna take some time. It's gonna take a minimum of like 40 minutes. Keep that in mind. So, yeah, as you see right now, I am opening up everything, and yeah, opening it up. It might take forever. I'm not gonna lie, but as you see, it's fast forward right now, so it should speed up everything. And boom. Okay, we're taking it out. I will come back to this part. That's what is happening throughout the video. So I'm screwing the the x-axis itself right now. Remember, I'm putting the screws wherever, but if you stay organized, it's way better because if you lose these screws, it's like a big problem. So yeah, testing out the belt, everything. All right, now I'm opening up. This is the part where when I removed it, I turned on the machine and the ball bearings fell out. So as you see, I'm unscrewing it right now in the bottom and everything, and then I should be able to get access to the ball bearings itself. So this video is kind of long. The reason is it takes time and everything to tell you all these instructions and how to fix it, but it's worth it, trust me. So right now I'm sorting out everything, setting everything aside. Now I'm back. So this is where the ball bearings are. See, when you push it out all the way, the ball bearings are gonna fall. As you see, I'm saying no, no, no in the video. So I'm actually unscrewing the thing, the whole the x-axis itself in the machine, and the stepper motors inside. So the tension, the belt itself is going, it's gonna fall apart. This is kind of what you kind of need to do beforehand because it's kind of a hassle. So yeah. So this is where the ball bearing is, like fully inside that. So we're gonna have to actually take it out. See, if you zoom in and throughout there, remind me about the belts right now, but I kind of have to do this for management. But zooming in, that's where the ball bearings are. So problem with this is when let's say ball bearings fall off, each side has to have a two ball bearing gaps. Keep that in mind. So let's say five fell off from the top and five fell from the bottom. Make sure there's a gap of two ball bearings, and that means everything is inside because the more ball bearings, the less friction, less energy required to move it and everything. So see, it has to have a gap of two. I'm gonna bring it up for y'all. So yep, see, gap of two. Yep. See, I'm thankful for past me. So, right now I'm fixing it. So, techniques for putting the ball bearings in. Use a magnet, really. Magnets, see this, the screw itself I'm holding on right now in my right hand. I'm using that in a magnet form, but clearly it's not working properly. Before, it used to work flawlessly. So, I went and tried to make it magnetized by rubbing magnets on it, but that still didn't work. So the method I'm doing right now is I'm thinking, and then I got the idea of bringing a magnet, which I did. So this is me trying to actually make it magnetized, but it didn't work. So what can I say? Um, so as you see, my method didn't work at all. So, before I did anything, I went and dried up, took a little bit of the oil out. I'm gonna re-oil this with the oil that I received with the Bamboo Lab A1. So right now, um, see, yeah, I'm removing all the. So, after I put the oil and stuff. So after I fix the ball bearings, I used a magnet overall, like a tiny from a screwdriver set or something. I pushed them in, easily worked. Just make sure you have two gaps for the ball bearing in the middle of each side, the top and the bottom. And after that, after I dried up everything and stuff like that, I re-oiled it with the one I received. See, I closed it up, everything. Make sure you roll them around inside so it gets dispersed easily and everything. So then, I put back, see, this is the screwdriver set. It's magnetic. That's kind of why I use it. Um, so let's see. So yeah, this is me reinstalling everything back in the machine. It's it took forever. The other half of the video, me trying to reinstall and everything. So to save you the time and hardship, that's kind of where you kind of need to go, um, and everything. So yeah, you're just gonna have to reinstall everything, and that. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.